how to make your voice deeper on Discord. In this video, I will show you how to make your voice deeper in Discord. In whatever reason you want to do that, let me tell you how. This should be a quick video since it is easy, so if it helps you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. So let's jump straight into the video. So the voice changer that we are using is called Clownfish Voice Changer. Let's go to our browser and search for Clownfish Voice Changer. Go to this link right here and download and install it on your computer. Once that is done, open the Clownfish and you can see it at the toolbar. Right click on it and select Setup and System Integration. In here, make sure that the microphone that you are using is installed so you can change the voice. Go back again to the toolbar and select the voice changer. So there are many selections of voice changers in here. You can select here the pitch to set it
low, like this. You can also set your voice to be like a male, which also has the same effect.
Now this is how you make your voice deeper. Now after you set that up, go back to Discord and go to the settings. In the voice and audio, make sure that your microphone is set in the input. And now you can speak on the voice channel with the Clownfish on your voice and your voice will be deeper. So I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.